got games going on over there. Games going on over there. I got my phone going off in the kitchen. And I'm like, you know what? I just shut everything down. I said, I'm going to do another video. This is crazy. There was more stuff over there than I thought. I brought a bunch of it back over to the couch so I could show it and get rid of it. Wow, I can't believe how much stuff there is, but even more than I thought. But I got a good idea. I'm going to show stuff. I'm going to put it on my computer, and then I'm going to hit pause, and then I'll pack it up, and then I'll restart the video. To save time. Okay. I can't see what it is. I think it's basketball, guys. Yep. Karl Malone. Karl Malone. 2 Karl Malones. And in here there is I was wondering where this was. I know I never showed it to you. Number 391. Wonder Woman. It's called, it says Wonder Woman. Some kind of variation. And there's 2 slots. Number 1095. I'm not bringing the other one out just to save time. Well, since I'm doing Funkos, I might as well do these. Might as well do the one that's ready to fall. Ooh. Ooh. Pikachu. A Defons. I don't know, but it will not let me grab it, and it keeps falling. This bag's being a scum. All it is 2 footballs. Contenders. That was really messed up. I don't know what it is with these stupid Barnes & Noble bags today. They're just not working. All messed up. Okay. Of course. Alright. Sulu. And Captain Kirk. This bag was double bagged, so I went to get this stuff. I'm not showing both. I got 2 more. 2 more of these. But yeah, so it was double bagged, and I was like, I'm not messing around with this and wasting time, which I am now anyways. Again, more time wasted trying to bag stuff back up. Alright, I wanted to show this because it was pretty cool. See this here? Oh my God, really? This price tag right here? They have these new special boxes that hold, not like these ones over here that hold 10. These ones only hold 6. And it's the limited edition ones that they're jacking everyone for $15 a pop. Those are 2 Pet Rock Autos. Those are 2 Cobra BATs. The Cobra Bats. And there's the Kung Fu Kevins. Okay. I have 1 more. One with a Pet Rock Auto. One with a Roller Skate and Stewart. And to save time, I've shown you these before anyways. The ones that I got for $4 1/4. 4:35. So, pause. I'm back. Okay, Barnes & Nobles. 2 of these. Barnes & Nobles. 2 of these. And 2 of these. I'm not going to waste my time showing it or seeing the date or tell you what. If I'm watching these videos, I'd probably get mad at myself for all that unnecessary crap I was showing you guys stuff. Karl Malone. 2 packs of fat packs and 2 packs of I don't know. I don't think it's Hobby. Oh, I remember this. This one about 3 weeks ago. I got an X-Men Wolverine. Only time I've ever seen that at the store. It's always usually the Avengers. Alright. That's a good one. I didn't even know I had it. Put it right here in case I have to go over there and get that stuff. Oh, God, I didn't even want to bring this in from the car. I wanted to just tell you what I had, but I figured I might as well show it. 3 more of those Series 6 Marvel die-cast figures. You know, the only reason why I brought it in is because I thought there was something in this bag. Just an empty bag. And what a waste of time this is. Okay, because I've shown you these things a ton of times already. Although, for the new viewers, I guess it's okay. More of the 525 Minions. Pet Rock Auto. And Pajama Bob. Tell you what, there was a lot of Pajama Bobs that were really, really nice. Like really nice looking, nice boxes. I never really got into the Minions. So, alright, you know what? I don't even want to count one. So, of course, I start counting, they fall. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15 in this bag. Stuff that I use for my baskets. These things are like $4.98, $3.98, $6.98, depending on which kind. 15 in this bag. Must be multiple orders. 4 of these fat packs. And I only see 1, but there's probably 2 of these. There wouldn't just be 1 in there. Unless, you know, it fell out of a bag, I remember. It was in the trunk of my car. And that was laying, so I just threw it in. I saw hockey, so I threw it in with another hockey bag. There's the, I thought maybe it was more of those ribbon things. Always has to be an asshole. 2 really $16 value packs. They're being greedy again. They're gonna wreck the industry again. The 3rd, 4th time, 5th time. They're so stupid. Oh, and the thing that I was looking for to put in that bag so I could keep them together, here they are. Here's more of them. Double bag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 18, at least 21, 22. More of those things for 50 cents. I told the one girl that was working there, I said, what is that? What's all that stuff? And I'm like, clearance aisle. I said, don't worry, I saved a whole bunch for you. So I took like 4 or 5 out. There was about maybe 9 different things sticking out. I could have got so many more. I forget where I got these. It says Target, but I mean in the bag. You know? Oh, that's right. Went over looking for Pops the one day. And All they had was hockey and Pokemon, so I grabbed them. Oh. Oh, yeah. I showed you one on the last video. There's still 3 in my trunk, and I said to myself, I'm bringing in one, and I'm going to leave the other couple out there. I'm not going to waste your time showing you 3 gigantic stitches. Iron Man. Wasting time. Waste of time. Rock. So that's the 3rd one. I thought I bought 3 of them. Oh. Money. Cash return. Marvel Series 5. 1, 2 of them. I'm not taking it out. You can see it in there. So, I think I got Series 5 and Series 6. Trying to rush for this video, I'm going to wind up damaging my stuff. I was thinking I throw a whole bunch of stuff in that bag, that gigantic bag right there. Okay, saving time. I showed you these before, but I didn't show you this one. 7 or 9 Frozens. I think I showed you that one before. And that's the same one as that, so. Another bag bites the dust. And what do we got here? Oh, I bought these for my sister. She has a snow cone machine. And I got 3 of them, but of course, I only have 2 there, so it's probably in another bag, but I could have fit all 3 of them in. And I got the Gay Pride Deadpool, which was floating around the back of my car. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 more of these. This is the cupcake version. So 12 more of those. Put that on top of Stitch. Damn thing's so big, it's like a table down there. Alright, that's my mail from the other day when I was showing you. Oh, cool. Alright, I got 2 white ones, 3 orange ones, red one, 2, 3, 4 blue ones or black ones. I think 2 of them are black, 2 of them are blue. I got, what are these called? Rod stocks for $2. And here's the black one. Now that's blue too. Nylon stringers. Alright, pause. Okay. Saving so much time by doing that. Alright. Here's the other snow cone. And here's 1, 2, orange, blue, blue, orange, blue, blue. One of those rod woods, but and then that's a sponge holder I got for $1. Oh, and red. Oh, and pool cues for that's one of those roughers or whatever they're called. When you need to rough up the cube, your cue stick when you're playing pool. There's $1 for 2 of them. Huh. I think that was the same one. I don't think I bought more than one of those sponge things. Ooh. God damn, I only have 30 seconds. Zamazentatin, one of these new football 5 Lives or whatever the hell they're called. Got out the Big H and a Prestige Fat/Value Pack. Alright, I only got like 2 bags left. I'll do it the next time I do one of these videos because